Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, mke wa naibu rais Bi Rachel Ruto, Spika wa bunge la kitaifa, Spika wa bunge la Senate, Jaji mkuu, kiongozi wa upinzani na mkono wa heri, Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, Mheshimiwa Mudavadi, viongozi wote, mawaziri, makatibu, mabalozi wote waliko hapa, kiongozi wa biashara za bunge Mheshimiwa Aden Duale, wabunge wote wa bunge la kitaifa, maseneta, wabunge la county, mabibi na mabwana, wananchi nyote, hamujambo? Wacha nipeane hotuba yangu fupi, alafu niweze kumwita naibu wa rais aweze kumkaribisha Mheshimiwa Rais kuhutubia taifa. Your Excellency, I'm happy to join you and the rest of Kenyans in marking this great day when we attain our independence. I thank all the freedom fighters for their great sacrifice to secure our independence. Allow me, on behalf of the Nairobi City County Government, to express my gratitude for the support and collaboration that we continue to receive from your government. Indeed, we have demonstrated that by working together, we will be able to make great strides as counties and national governments. Over the last 1 year, the Nairobi City County Government and the national government have been able to achieve a lot. We were honored that you took the lead in one of our monthly cleanup days. That was a true demonstration of your leadership and goodwill towards the city of Nairobi. We have collaborated to fix the roads in Nairobi, although work is still in progress. There has been a lot of transformation in many areas. We have also worked together to clean the Nairobi River's ecosystem and to remove structures built on top of rivers. It has revealed that there is need to expand our sewerage system to stop discharge of waste into the rivers. I wish to caution all those who have structures on riparian land, please do not wait for us to come and destroy them. Come to the county and give us a plan on how you'll remove those structures at your cost. Your Excellency, we have collaborated to produce 50,000 title deeds for various parts of the city and are now working closely on the affordable housing program to support the Agenda 4. We have also recovered over 100 acres of public land that was either grabbed or illegally settled on. Going forward, we have a joint strategy for the rapid bus transit system and commuter rail to create reliable public transport for the city. We have a joint program to construct and refurbish markets as well as fire stations. Finally, Your Excellency, we are collaborating to support the informal sector and the creation of jobs for our youth. We value this collaboration and look forward to an even closer working relationship. As Mahatma Gandhi said, let us be a working nation and work like there is no tomorrow. Kwa hayo machache, ningependa kuchukua hii nafasi kumkaribisha Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais aje hapa aongee yake machache